Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to wish you a great start of the autumn. In Russia we celebrate this day like the day of knowledge. I think you do something similar in your country. And for me actually the beginning of September is always about something new, about new textbooks, pencils, when you buy something for your school, new clothes. And actually, for me, New Year starts in September, not in January. Write in comments how is it for you. And of course, many people love to start new life since September, like I do. I will now plan my life, change something. Also because I moved to Sochi soon again, so new life really will start very soon for me also. And of course, I will think maybe what language to choose to learn, what books to read, to do this list of books that I will read, everything. And of course, we speak today about the languages, yeah, because many people start maybe doing sports, but some people start learning new language. Today I can tell you about some habits that will help you to be more succeed in studying new language, how to deal with procrastination and everything. I will tell you some examples of what we can do to achieve better results. I work with the topic of motivation always because it's the main reasons why we still can learn language, why people stop with learning the language, why they say tomorrow in 1 year and they still don't start. I always say it's not so complicated to start. It's always hard to continue, because when we just start, our motivation is really high, and then later it becomes less and less, and we should work with it, because we are all people, we are all the same actually. And there are some ways how we can win in this game with our nature. So the first thing what I do in my life, I analyze every area of my life. Yeah, because it can be not only about the language. Sometimes if you still have problems in other areas of your life, it can be complicated to start something new. I usually correct my plans, and I write new plans every month or even every 2 weeks. I do it really regularly. I think it's much better than to do plan for the whole year and already in 2 months you don't remember what you actually planned. So it's better to do small plans. Yeah, maybe you've heard about it. So it's much better to think in September I will learn 150 words and I will learn 7 topics, than to say I will learn the level A1 in half of year, in 6 months. Yeah, it's good, you can also have this goal, but better write the real plan what you will do every month, and every end of month check what you did. And for your brain will be much easier if you see that you're already succeeding this month, so next month you also will be succeed. It's much better than in 6 months you will see that you didn't achieve anything. So, and it's really important to give something good to you. For example, okay, you achieve this small goal, go to the cafe or something what you really love. Ask yourself why you need this. Hard to do something what you are not sure about. Why I need to learn this language? Because I want to travel. Why I want to travel? Because it will help me to know this world better. Yeah. When I want to learn it, I want to speak Russian till the end of this year. What I want to already be able to do. Yeah, and then ask yourself as many questions as you can. The second is about the number 1. It's the level of your energy. When everything you want is just lying on the bed and you wake up and you're already tired, it will be really hard to work on this goal, or actually in any goal. Yeah, so please be sure that you feel fine, that you are doing sports, be sure that you feel good, that nothing stop you. Yeah, that you are in good relationship with yourself, and it's the main thing actually for everything. Try different experiments, try to think, okay, this week I will try to watch some videos 3 times a week, or this week I will work with the songs. I will see how it works for me. This week I will try to read some short stories. So, and you can have a special notebook, write it down there, all your thoughts, what you feel about, because for some people you know, audio, some people visual, so we don't know what is better for you till you will try. I remember I had some course when we met with other people every week. We set the goals and we said what we did for this goal for the previous week. So we actually discussed, you have more responsibility because you already talked about it to more people, yeah, and okay, next week I will do this, I will do this for this goal, and then you just tell about your results in 1 week. Having deadline, most of people do a lot, really a lot, when you know when you have to finish it. I'm not sure how it will work with the language, because it's not a good idea, you know, to do nothing for the whole year, for the whole week or month, and do everything in last day. Yeah, about the language, the logic is a bit different, but anyway, you need to know when you have to know these topics. For example, for people who love to do everything ideal how I do, these trackers of habits also work fine. Yeah, just don't be too ideal, too strict to yourself. If you didn't do something for 1 day, please continue. Try to find the inspiration in other areas. For example, for me, it works really cool when I visit art galleries, or when I'm doing something I love to do, different jewelry or accessorizes. Yeah, I love to meet with my friends, to speak with people who inspire me, and it also will help you in other areas of life. Please don't wait for ideal moment when you will finish all the things you have to do. Start now, and probably it will also give you more inspiration. On the screen of my laptop I have the desk with all my dreams, and if you dream to learn the language, you can have the pictures of this country, and maybe a new job that you wanna get, or the wife you wanna be with. It's also okay. Many of my students also learn language because of their girlfriends. Why not? Do all the homeworks in the morning. It will be much easier than in the evening when you're already tired and you think I have something more important. Please better do it in the beginning of the day. You will feel so cool this day, you will feel you are a winner, and actually it also will help you in your job, for example, because you woke up, you did your homework, you work with language, you work for your goals, for your dreams, and other hours, just be sure you will feel so cool, you will have so much. And then plan your day in the evening. When you wake up and you already know what you will do, your day usually is better and you can do more things. When you work with language, you shouldn't see on your table nothing what reminds you of work, of your some personal things, just your notebook, maybe laptop. Also don't use your phone, so you will be more productive. For me also, atmosphere is really important when everything is beautiful. I mean, everything should be, I should love what I see. I think for you the same, yeah, just not a mess around you. Do this study like a game for you. This is why Duolingo is so popular also, because of this all yeah, because you can see there your results. I wanna continue this regime, I wanna still do as many days as I can to practice. Also the techniques like Pomodoro techniques, there are a lot of apps when you can plant the trees and everything, so you can plan, okay, I can plan to plant there 10 trees for the week, and every tree will be around 20 minutes, so I will work for this 20 minutes 10 times a week. Then the competition, who will learn more words? Yeah, you can play with your friend for the week, or who will study faster. I also love to work in pair with my friends. For example, we call each other by Skype, and she or he is doing something and I do my things the same. We also use these Pomodoro techniques and every 20 minutes we discuss like how is everything going. Even if I work online, I always try to look kind of, no, not official, but not pajama. Also do makeup, my hair, and just look the same how I would come to the university or to work. Yeah, you also stay more productive. When I do something for a long time, yeah, I have a big homework that I have to do for 2-3 hours. I dance or I listen to some songs between these 20-30 minutes when I do it. Of course, to dream about your goals, it should be realistic, but sometimes we can dream, wish for something, especially before you go to sleep when you cannot control too much everything. Yeah, dream about what you want to see in your life when you will achieve this goal. Then of course we have to sleep enough. When you are very tired, you cannot study, and you will lose motivation if you will study when you're very tired. If you have pets, they can help you to study. I mean, sometimes when we have classes the pets of my students come to them. Some of them even remember my voice. So the pets, the animals can help you to have less stress. If you see something complicated, they give positive emotions and also make you more productive. Also, good motivation is when you feel love. Of course, when you fall in love, it's the best motivation actually. And if you have a girlfriend, she also will help you to learn faster because you will want to speak with her. It's kind of complicated to look for friends, I will be honest. I also tried to find friends who I will speak with, but we are most succeed with people who we really love. And my favorite, don't forget that you will be an example, a good example for your children. Yeah, when they see that their father or mother speak a lot of languages and so complicated, like Russian for example, they will also follow your example. Yeah, they will want to do the same. And of course, now it's the September, I prepare new materials for new study year, let's say, for my students. And if you are interested in learning Russian language, of course, come to my classes. I will wait for you. It's a good idea, I think, to start this autumn, yeah, and to learn something what you really wanted to start if you still didn't start. So I will wait for you for my classes. All the links in description to this video. You can follow my Telegram, write me there your questions, tell me your story, why you decided to learn Russian, why you need this, and I will answer all your questions. Have a good day. See you soon.